The ghost in the feed, slaves to the trend. 2. The dopamine of viral views. As drizzle settled over London like a damp shroud, Noah hunched at his cluttered desk. The laptop's pallid glow honed the hollows beneath his eyes. The only sound, apart from the city's muffled rumble, was the staccato tap of his fingers. He had never wanted to be pulled into the digital web. A modest youth worker by day, his online life had been an idle venting until the tragedy, until the account. It began with a single cryptic DM, an originless handle predicting the disaster that came to pass days later. Intrigued and unnerved, Noah followed the shadowed trail. The messages landed with uncanny precision, promising viral trends and insider collisions. He turned prompts into short-form clips. A quip, an observation, views cascaded, sterling notes pinged into his account. The algorithm's loop tightened like a noose, each notification a small electric intoxication. Beneath it, a cold, rising dread, breath shallow, knuckles white. He felt the room contract. Outside, fog clung to the pavement. CCTV domes blinked indifferent above the street. A new message waited. He clicked. Next, the tower feeds off its own shadow. His heart stuttered. The ambiguity tasted of threat and promise. The lure won. He inhaled, decision made, fingers poised over the keys. Who or what was truly in control? The laptop's fan sighed. As he began to type, the fog thickened and swallowed the city whole.